Rod and whale, right?
This is like, I don't know. There'll be a little ding ding. Oh no, it's not. Sorry.
Just get excited, Becky can never get to cross railways. Hey.
Can we tie someone to the track?
Yeah. What happened? What happened? What is it? A snake. A snake?
Railway, guys. It's a snake.
Oh my gosh. As if I was recording and you found a snake. Wait, let me get close.
Hello, Mr.
Put
Snake.
a white background behind it. You can't really see it. What is it?
That's weird.
Grass
snake.
Oh.
It's wicked. It stinks.
I shall call him Tommy.
It stinks.
Yeah, smell that.
I shall call him.
I think it's sharp.
Oh, it's probably a defense.
Look at his little head.
Oh, just stick his tongue out.
I want it.
Ah. Wait, put it down and watch it like swim. Like, put it on the dust.
Joe, here.
Okay, it really smells good.
Wait, Joe, wait.
I'm actually scared because it bites me.
It's grass snake.
I know, but it's still
Should I put
scary.
it down? Oh, awesome.
See you later, mate.
Come to me. Have a little tick.
Wait, get it in the grass, actually.
Cameron, leave it.
It stinks.
Oh, it's coming from my shoe. Ah.
It's a little cave.
It stinks so bad.
Wait, move the mat. Awesome.
Oh shit, it's on my finger.
Joe, what are you doing, mate?
Smell that, Luke. I need some.
There we go.
There he goes.
Bye bye.
Onwards.
That's the next stop.